guys, let me hope you are all okay, you traders, wherever you are. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Today I am going to show you how you can use a 1% strategy and you get money on this bull run. Get rich on this bull run. Utrading is here for us to maximize our profits. As you can see, these are my running trades. You can see these are my running trades. As you can see, Room is running, Shush is running, Lotus is running, Zek is running, Unify is running. Those are trades which are on 1% strategy. As you can see, this run, this Shush, I put it is running with $5. It is running with $5, and it has so far given me $122. It has so far given me $122 as a profit. I didn't cross this trade because it is still running. I want it to be still running for this year 2024 and even 2023. This bull run, I will not cross this because they are on other stage. They are on other stage of bull run. They are going to pump hard. I would have crossed it, yet it is in a floating of this, but it doesn't matter. It is on 1% strategy. It can't be liquidated. Let me show you on Binance. I can't get liquidated. It will come again and print and print and print. Yeah. As you can see, my running position is on Binance. As you can see, Shush, there is no even liquidation price. This is what I'm telling you, no even liquidation price. So even though the market can go the worstest, I can't be liquidated. I hope you understand. So this trade which you are seeing, it is one trade which gave me $122 as a profit, and it is still running because it is cycle. It is on cycle mode. So let me show you how you can set this 1% strategy and keep earning, keep earning, keep earning. Let me say that you have $100. $100, you can trade a maximum of 2 trades for you to be safe. So let me say that you have $100. Let me show you this coin. Let me say that let's go on BNB. The robot I recommend you to open, it is this one. Sorry. The robot I recommend you to open, it is this one, the last bot. It is this one, the last bot. This one, the last bot. DCA, manual setting parameters, offer long and short, covering the position to the bottom, price, time by 1 times sale. This robot, all settings you do it for yourself. It is not like this, the second one, which you can, it is not like this one. This one you see, it is set automatically. You can't set, you can't change take profit, you can't change the percentage you want to market to drop. You can't change anything on this one. You can't check the percent profit ratio. But this one was the last bot I showed you. You can change everything. So let's go on this one, the last bot. I click on start. As I told you earlier on my earlier videos, I don't like trade short positions on this early stage. Even maybe if I have a big capital, I can trade this even short. But short positions are for for a short time, because on this on a stage where we are, robots or coins are more likely to pump than dump. On previous, like it was last week, Coin pumped 68% in 1 hour. Pumped 68% in 1 hour, which is impossible in these days. A coin to dump 68% in an hour. So let's assume that you were in a short position of the Unicoin. I can show you Unicoin. Let me check here. I can show you. You can see Unicoin down here. This coin. When we go on 1 hour time frame, you see the coin pumped from $7 to $12 in just 2 hours. $7, $12, almost 7 something percent. So if the person were in a short position of this coin, my friend, if you are not in 1% strategy, you were whipped out. Okay, let's go. Continue with our settings. Let me say I am urge everybody to choose long position, trade cycle, use 1% strategy, leave your robot to run start to the day, start to the week, start to the month. So I'm coming here. I will put in long position. I will put double opening on. I will leave it in a cycle. I will come here to choose average. I will come here to make orders. If I have some money, I will make like 4 to 5 orders. If the market goes down, to be adding on my margin so that I can get more profit. So, but if you don't have enough money, leave limit order at 1, max order let it be 1. Okay, let's go. Put in wrong position. I put this down opening on. If you want, you can put it on. But if you put double opening on, it means that the initial position you have put here, it will be ×2 at the opening. But when the robot is covering position, it will not consider that price. Let me show you that the initial position is 5.99, as you can see here. If you are in a double opening, it will open the trade with 11 point something, because it will be ×2. If it confuses you, let it put it off. But for me, I use it. Smart covering, put it on. Come on over average, put the maximum average of that coin you are trading. Orders, let it put it to 2. You can put it to 2 or 1. But if you have some enough capital, you can put it to 5 to 4. It's okay. Okay. I come to price gap. I don't want the robots to buy so quickly. If I have put it like 2 max order or 3 or 4, I don't want the robot to buy so quickly, because this is a long running trade. Let me put like 5 price gap. It is a percentage drop. you are telling the robot to cover a position or to add more money on that coin. It is a percent you decide. That's why I have recommended you to use this DCA future as a Rust bot, because you can set everything you want. You can set everything you want. So here I will put 5%. If you want to come here, even here on customize, here you can come here on customize. You decide on a second percent, on a second order, which percentage I want the robot to buy at. On third order, which percentage I want the robot to buy at. On fourth order, which percentage I want the robot to buy at. This is where you can set it. As you can see, it is 2 max order. There is no order I have set it. If there is anything that I have put here for orders, and come here to customize, you can see first order is 5%. Maybe you can say to buy to add the order. Second order, let me say 3%. On the fourth order, let me see robot buy when the market again comes down at 6%, 9%, like that. So this is where you can set. And there is another option here on multiple size. It is where if you have started with the initial position of $20, on here on multiple size, it tells you if the robot if the market comes down, this 5% we have said. If the robot comes down, this 5% we have said. That is a robot by initial position times 1.5, which is 20 times 1.5. That is $30. It is that money the robot will put in for the second order. For the third order, you can again click here on customize to tell the robot on third order you make initial position times 2, times 4, times 5, times 6, according to your capital. So according to your capital, you can set it according to your capital. But if you don't have capital, if you have $100, if you have $200, set it according to your capital. If you have $100, if you have chosen 1 max order or 2 max order, leave it like that. But if you have a good capital, here is where the magic is. You can bring here on customize. You say if you are adding money, maybe the market has dropped down 5%, you add 1.5% times 1.5% of my initial position. Maybe here on second order, you say times 3. It is times 3 of your initial position. Here on third order, you can say times 4. It is times 4 of your initial position. If your initial position was $20, then here it will be $20 times 4. On the other third order, the robot is putting in a trade. Remember, the more you add more money greater than the initial position, it is the more the average price will come closer to the current price, and the more you will go into the profits area. But the more it will increase the floating loss if the market continues to go another side on a different side. Let me say that you are in a wrong position and the robot has added the money in that trade, and then